Well, Happy New Year from Tonic. What have we got here for you today? We have got our Tonic craft kit number 40. And today it's our little pivot gift box. So how does it come to you? So as usual, you've got your folder with your dies and your stamps in. So you have your 2 sheets of dies and you have your stamps that come with it. So they are let me show you the boards, because it's always easier to show you the boards. You will have a sheet of instructions as well that will come out with it. So we'll start with the dies, I think. Oh, should we go top down with these? So they look a little bit of a strange shape. So this is your basic box. So you're going to cut 2 of the side panels and you're going to cut 2 for your top and bottom, and then you've got the little side tabs as well here, and everything else is decoration. So as always, they are shapes that will cut in, they're shapes that will cut out of the card. So if you want to use pattern papers, you have the plain shapes, but you can also put in the pattern dies that give you the beautiful laser cut decoration that we know. We've got little tags for you as well. So we've got enjoy in the die. We've got a gift for you, which is in a deboss. That looks beautiful in a mirrored card or a pearlescent card, satin, or even inked, as we've done here. So if we can show, we've inked it here, so it pops out the sentiment a little bit. And then we have 2 little tags then with love and thank you. So the patterns on these, they're very, how can I describe these? They're almost stained glass window to me. They're very, very pretty patterns. We've got little, almost fleur-de-lis designs, floral designs, absolutely gorgeous patterns. And then we have 2 little dies here, which is your closure for the box, and also your corners, your corner protectors. So we do lots of decorative, very decorative boxes here, very big boxes for you to put bigger gifts in, but we sometimes forget about the smaller gifts we want to send. Maybe a couple of chocolates, maybe a scarf, maybe jewellery, something like that we could pop into this box. So these stamps then, sorry, I'm making Dan flick back and forth with this camera like Billy O today. Hopefully you can see this. So we've got some more sentiments. It's all yours, from me to you, just to say a little something you might like, and thank you so much. And then obviously we've got the patterns for the corners and everything then to go with it. I'm loving this teeny tiny, I'm hoping I brought it close enough, this teeny tiny little heart, because I'm thinking of the patterns you could build even with that one little stamp, sorry. Really, really pretty. So moving on from that, I'm going to go through the cardstock. So I'm just going to hold these up. So we have, the first one is our black 300 GSM. So this is our construction cardstock. Lovely matte black. Nice card for anything. Card blanks, boxes, anything. Then we have black satin. Let me show you the difference for these. I'm hoping if I show them up to the camera, you see the difference. Even though it's a satin and this is a matte, there is still a difference in texture. And you can also bring in a glossy card, so why don't we bring in a glossy? And this is our opera red. So again, you can see all, whoops, let me pull that one apart. All the different surfaces you can work on. So our next one is our umber etching. I love this cardstock. It's a lovely pearlescent brown with a black etching on it. Really, really pretty. Then we have some classic cardstock then, which is I'm missing one. I'm going ahead of myself. We've got a glazed chestnut here, which is our pearlescent card, which is double-sided and it's 250 GSM. Then we have classic card then in the maroon and the pewter grey. So that's 216 GSM for those. They are plain back, linen effect on the front. And then we have red berries, which is our speciality paper. So this has a gorgeous sheen on the front. It's 250 GSM. Fabulous for adding any mousses for a little bit of extra oomph to the design, but beautiful. You can see the sheen on the image there. So we'll fan them out so you can see your colour palette. So we've almost gone, it always reminds me of a little bit of a gothic colour palette this time. We've gone quite dark, but you'll see the boxes now and they're still very, very girly, even though they're dark colours. Our nuvo, what have we got this time to tantalise you? So we have glimmer paste. So if you wanted to cut one of the panels out from a mirror card, and then you can use that as a stencil and pop your glimmer paste through that. And this is rich cocoa. So it's a beautiful dark brown. I think we still have the lid on it. I won't open it. Oh, there we are, you can see the bottom. But it's got lovely flecks of gold coming through that. Then we have a glitter, which is ruby red. And that one again, lots of different shades of red in that. If I bring it closer, I'm hoping that you can see the reds. We have a stone drop, and this one is Fiery Volcano. Just checking, I got the name right in my head. This is, if you've never used our stone drops, they almost give a pitted effect, like little stones. They almost look like little volcanic stones. Very textured. You can do bigger drops with these than you could do with your normal crystal drops. So if you like to do the big button decorations, this is a good one to use. Then we have our little mica spray. And this one, I've forgotten the colour of, is Crimson Velvet. So again, it's almost like a coppery colour this is, but beautiful. And last but not least is our Baker's Twine. And this is our pewter grey Baker's Twine. So you'll have 25 metres. So this is going to go on and on and on. So what have our girls done with it? We've had some stunning samples. I'm going to show you the box as it is traditionally. Hang on, let me just pick a few of these up. Oh, there we are. We'll show you that way. So this is the box as it would be made. The top comes off, and this is a lovely little gift set. So we've got some little cards. These are the stone drops, so they're a matte effect. Who's made this one? This is Vicky. Vicky's been really, really gentle doing these because they're teeny tiny. So she's done a spray there with the mica spray. Look at the colours. They work so well together. Thank you so much, and from me to you. So lovely little thank you cards to do for after Christmas, to send your thank yous to everyone. And this is the little closure. I don't know whether you can see it under there. It can be used to pop a tag on, but it can also be used as a closure. Right under there. So that's our one little box, and that is how it's designed to be made. With your corner protectors on, everything on, paper pieced, layered to the hilt, as our Vicky always does. But a gorgeous, gorgeous effect. So you glue the base to the side panels and you leave the top loose. But you know our girls, they always like to do something different. So I think this is Vicky as well. She has extended the box. So she's used double the middle panels And again, if you can see in there, whoops, that is quite a substantial box. What would that hold? That would hold, I think, I'm thinking a bubble bath and perfumes and smellies and things like that. But a gorgeous gift for someone. That would be lovely to hand over to someone you love. Again, this is another one, but this is a different style. This has opened it. It reminds me, and I know I'm going back a bit in time, but it reminds me of a cigarette packet, of the opening of those. So she's used it as a different top. So what she's done is not added the back panel to the lid and glued the lid in place. But I'm sure this is Shilpa. I know Shilpa because she always adds her beautiful flowers. I'm sure she will show you on her Facebook page and her YouTube channel. So again, we've gone with the lovely panels, die cut panels, and then gone with the etching for the bottom. And again, this is a pop on top. But we haven't put a pop on top on the bottom. Let me just squeeze this back in. We've left the bottom quite flat. We've tucked it all inside. And this is Ruth. Yes. So that's another lovely design. This one, again, has gone all out with your top. It's decorated, top, bottom, sides, everywhere. Look at the gorgeous glitter coming through the top there. Really, really pretty. And this is Jen. Absolutely gorgeous. So you put as much decoration or as little as you choose. But this one has kept it all for the top and kept the bottom very, very plain. But another stunning one. And again, just, you know, your scraps. We've all got scraps of card where we've trimmed off little bits. Don't waste them. Glue them all together and pop them on a card front, because there's little bits of spray and everything on there, little stone drops, your sentiments. It's a lovely, lovely card. And wrap the tag so it tucks behind the layer, so you don't see any loose bits then. It's a lovely idea for all your bits and bobs there, Jen. Right, Vicky has extended it. It is Vicky, I had to check again then. She's extended it to make a square box. So we've extended it up, we've extended it out. So there's lots of ways you can change this box. I love this little idea as well. Look at that, it's a little dinky tray. Let me show you from the side. Oh, and the top. So I would think this could be your coin tray that you put on your dressing table. You could pop your, children's baubles that they're always losing. Pop them in there when they take them out at night. It could be your key tray by your door because you can hang it up. Lots and lots of possibilities for this one. And again, decorated to the hilt. So this is made with 2 tops. Lovely little idea. And again, we've gone very, very glitzy here. Lots of glitz here. This is Shilpa. And you can see the twine that she's used as well. And again, she's done the flip top. Love that idea. And now last but not least, this one is decorated, top, bottom, middle, sides, everything on you. But I don't know who's made it. Any name inside? No. So I'm sorry I can't give you a name check, but I love your box. So absolutely gorgeous. So from a little die set, you can see how you can expand it. You could also make a smaller box as well by making it thinner but longer. I can't wait to see the ideas you come up with this box. But I'm going to leave you now with happy crafting. Bye!